Hello everyone, I recently acquired this pedal train Nano Plus and I wanted to fit this one Spot CS6 into it, but unfortunately I lost the template for the drilling. Now I'll show you how to create the template if you lost one or if you don't have one. This method can be used for anything like wall shelves or power outlets. If your item is bigger, you can use a couple of papers joined together or pasted together to achieve the same results. Now I'm making the impressions of the object in the paper and trying to find the holes and marking it with a pencil. After marking, I'm folding the paper to fit the size. You can still use the scissors and cut it for the size. In this case, I'm just folding it. Now I'm making the holes in the paper. So once I paste this paper upside down, so I know like where to drill it. Now I'm pasting the paper backside of the board. These pedal train boards are made with aluminum, so it is not that hard to drill. These holes are perfect now. Now it's a moment of truth. Let's see if the holes are aligning properly. I would say it is perfect. This method works for me every time. Hope this video will be useful for you. See you in the next video guys. Bye.